Welcome to Reading Tutor for another fun and exciting video all about reading, writing, spelling, and literacy in general. You'll notice I'm down at the bottom and I've got this really swell screen up, which you can note it's in that direction. Yeah, that direction. With some letter combinations that we're going to talk about. But first, of course, I encourage you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and of course contact me if you or anybody you know has reading difficulties, writing difficulties, spelling difficulties, because I can help with all that general literacy tutoring. But anyways, today you can probably guess we're talking about sh, the sound sh, and the different ways to spell it. The most common way, of course, is just using sh. But there are specific places where we use sh. For example, in the beginning of a word, like short. And how do I get rid of this? Well, let's just go down here and retype short or shop. We also use sh at the end of a syllable, as in fish or fashion. When it comes to the sh sound in any syllable after the first one, we use one of the Latin spellings, mostly T-I, S-I, or C-I. For example, the word nation, the word notion, both come from Latin. And I'm going to pull out one of my favorite reference books, The ABCs and All Their Tricks, which if I come down here and show it to you, which you've seen before if you watched my other videos. The ABCs and All Their Tricks, if we're looking at TI, it's used in 886 words. Some of the words that I don't have room to put up here are motion, action, caution, recognition, differential, proclamation, and other fun words. We also have SI for words like passion. Or, and I'm going to get out my book for this one, and because SI also makes another sound, zh, as in vision. So it actually makes two sounds. You'll notice it says sh after an S, and it says zh in all other cases. So for example, if we have the word procession or session, two S's. But if you don't have that first S, then it says zh, as in vision, or explosion, or excursion, or version, or illusion, or abrasion, or ambrosia. Another Latin spelling is CI, which would be used in words like special and official and commercial. So we've got commercial, all have Latin roots. You'll also notice that I put CE. CE can also say sh, as in ocean. Now the funny thing is CE isn't in the ABCs and All Their Tricks. I don't know why. Maybe she didn't think about it. There aren't that many words that use CE. But as you can see here, there are a few of them, like cetacean, cretaceous, crustacean, curvation, diatomation, herbaceous, licorice, and licorice, which is another way of spelling licorice. We already talked about ocean, roseaceous, and sebaceous. All fun and exciting words that we use all the time. There is one spelling which, you know what, I just forgot to add. However, CH also says sh sometimes in words that we borrowed from French. For example, the word chef. Oops, forgot that F. And some place names, places that were named by the French in pre-American times when the French were battling the English for domination of North America. Places such as Michigan, originally settled by the French, but now they're gone. But then again, so are the English. Also, Chicago was also named and settled by the French. Pistachio, which is a pistachio is delicious, but pistachios are delicious. Other French words: cliché, chateau, chaperone, crochet, shoot, not the shoot as in shooting somebody, but a shoot like a clothes shoot. Mustache, machine. I'll use CH to spell sh. So that was our lesson for today. It's short. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. And I will see you next time in the next Reading Tutor video. And thanks for watching.